In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Geo Map chart in Google Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have an interactive map that visualizes your data by country, state, or region, and you'll know exactly how to adjust it so it tells a clear story. First, open your browser and go to lookerstudio.google.com. Looker Studio is Google's free data visualization tool, and it works right in your browser. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're using the account that has access to your data. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen with options to create or open reports. Next, choose the option to create a blank report. Starting from a blank canvas gives you full control over the layout and makes it easy to add just what you need. If Looker Studio prompts you to select a data source, you can pick one you've already connected or use sample data for testing. As a tip, Geo Maps work best when your data set includes a recognizable location field like country, region, state, or city, and a numeric metric you want to visualize. On the blank report, look to the top menu and click Insert. This is where you'll find all the available chart types. The Insert menu is your go-to for building the report. Everything from scorecards and tables to more advanced visualizations lives here. From the list, click GeoChart. Your cursor will change, allowing you to draw the chart on the canvas. Click and drag to create the map area. Don't worry about getting the size perfect yet. You can resize and reposition it at any time by dragging the corners or edges. Now let's adjust the GeoChart so it reflects your data accurately and looks great. With the chart selected, use the right side panel to set the dimension to your location field, such as country or region, and set the metric to the value you want to map, like sessions, revenue, or count of records. If the map doesn't color in as expected, double check that your location field is properly formatted. For example, use full country names or standard region names. In the Style or Options tab, you can switch between filled regions and bubble maps, adjust color palettes to highlight differences clearly, set the default zoom or region focus, and choose borders or tooltips for readability. You can also apply filters to focus on a subset of data and tweak sorting to emphasize top performers. Finally, preview the report to ensure tooltips and interactions feel intuitive. That's it, your GeoMap is ready to explore and share.